we're diving into a topic that might not be on your radar, but is absolutely critical for your health: proteinuria, and how it affects your kidneys. Did you know that having protein in your urine could be a warning sign of kidney damage? And here's the kicker: it often goes unnoticed until it's too late. But don't worry, because in this video we're sharing 10 superfoods that can help stop proteinuria fast, repair your kidneys, and even improve your overall health. Whether you're dealing with kidney issues or just want to take preventive measures, this information could be a game changer for you or someone you love. So, stick around until the end, it's worth it. First things first, what is proteinuria? Simply put, it's a condition where there's too much protein in your urine. Normally, your kidneys filter waste from your blood while keeping essential proteins where they belong, in your body. But when your kidneys are damaged or not functioning properly, these proteins can leak into your urine. Proteinuria is often an early sign of kidney disease, but it can also indicate other health issues like high blood pressure or diabetes. The scary part? It usually doesn't come with obvious symptoms, which is why it's so important to catch it early. The good news? With the right diet, you can help your kidneys recover and even prevent further damage. Let's start with a summer favorite: watermelon. This hydrating fruit is packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol, both of which are crucial for kidney care. Watermelon is also about 90% water, making it a natural diuretic that helps flush out toxins and reduce the workload on your kidneys. Pro tip: enjoy watermelon in moderation, especially if you're watching your potassium levels. A few slices a day can go a long way in supporting your kidney health. Next up is quinoa, a complete protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair tissues, including your kidneys. Unlike other grains, quinoa is low in sodium and high in antioxidants, making it a kidney-friendly choice. You can easily swap out rice or pasta for quinoa in your meals. Try it in salads, soups, or even as a breakfast porridge. Your kidneys will thank you. Superfood number 3, garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavor powerhouse, it's also a kidney superhero. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, while its sulfur compounds aid in detoxification. For maximum benefits, consume garlic raw or lightly cooked. Add it to salads, dressings, or even a morning smoothie. Trust me, it works. Superfood number 4, red peppers. Red peppers are a kidney's best friend. They're loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and folic acid, all of which support kidney function and repair. Plus, their low potassium content makes them ideal for kidney-friendly diets. Enjoy red peppers raw in salads, as a snack with hummus, or lightly sautéed as a side dish. Their bright color and crunch make them a delicious addition to any meal. Superfood number 5, salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These healthy fats help reduce kidney inflammation and improve overall kidney function. Salmon is also a great source of high-quality protein that's easier on the kidneys compared to red meat. Aim for wild-caught salmon and prepare it by baking, steaming, or grilling. Avoid heavy sauces or marinades high in salt to keep it kidney-friendly. Superfood number 6, blueberries. These tiny berries pack a big punch when it comes to kidney health. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect your kidneys from inflammation and damage. They also help prevent urinary tract infections, which can further strain your kidneys. Add blueberries to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. You can also enjoy them as a snack or in a refreshing glass of unsweetened blueberry juice. Superfood number 7, apples. An apple a day might just keep kidney problems away. Apples are rich in fiber and pectin, which help lower cholesterol and support cardiovascular health, key for kidney function. They're also low in potassium, making them a safe choice for kidney-friendly diets. Eat apples raw with the skin on for maximum benefits, or bake them for a healthy dessert. Superfood number 8, spinach. Spinach is a nutrient powerhouse packed with vitamin B, folate, and antioxidants that support kidney health. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce proteinuria and protect your kidneys from further damage. Enjoy spinach raw in salads or smoothies, or lightly steam it to retain its nutrients. Superfood number 9, cherries. Cherries are another kidney-friendly fruit thanks to their high levels of anthocyanins. These antioxidants reduce inflammation and lower uric acid levels, which can be harmful to your kidneys. Snack on fresh cherries, add them to yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie for a tasty kidney boost. Superfood number 10, cabbage, the ultimate kidney detoxifier and inflammation fighter. When it comes to protecting and healing your kidneys, cabbage is a true superfood that often goes unnoticed. This humble vegetable, which is widely available and affordable, is a powerhouse of essential nutrients that support kidney function, reduce inflammation, and promote detoxification. If you're dealing with proteinuria or kidney damage, adding cabbage to your diet could be a game changer. Why cabbage is a kidney superfood. First, cabbage is low in potassium, making it safe for kidney disease. Many fruits and vegetables contain high levels of potassium, which can be dangerous for people with kidney problems because damaged kidneys struggle to filter out excess potassium. Too much potassium in the blood can lead to serious complications like heart issues and muscle weakness. Unlike high-potassium veggies like spinach or tomatoes, cabbage is incredibly low in potassium, making it a safe and nutritious option for those with kidney disease. Second, cabbage is high in fiber, which supports detoxification and digestion. Fiber plays a crucial role in removing toxins, waste, and excess cholesterol from the body, which in turn helps reduce the burden on your kidneys. Cabbage is an excellent source of fiber, which supports healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and aids in the elimination of harmful substances from your system. A healthy digestive system equals healthier kidneys. Third, cabbage is rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect kidney cells. Cabbage is loaded with powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and K, as well as phytonutrients like flavonoids and anthocyanins. These compounds help fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the kidneys, preventing further damage. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of kidney disease, so eating anti-inflammatory foods like cabbage is one of the best natural ways to protect your kidneys from deterioration. Fourth, cabbage supports heart health, which is crucial for kidney function. Did you know that kidney disease and heart disease are closely linked? High blood pressure and high cholesterol put extra strain on your kidneys, which can worsen kidney function over time. Cabbage naturally lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels, helping to keep your heart strong and your kidneys protected. Studies have shown that diets rich in cruciferous vegetables like cabbage can reduce the risk of heart disease and kidney failure. Lastly, cabbage promotes natural detoxification, cleansing your liver and kidneys. Cabbage contains natural sulfur compounds that support liver detoxification, which in turn helps your kidneys function more efficiently. When your liver is overloaded with toxins, your kidneys have to work even harder. But eating detoxifying foods like cabbage eases the burden on both organs and promotes overall health. How to eat more cabbage for kidney health. The best part about cabbage? It's versatile, delicious, and easy to prepare. Here are some kidney-friendly ways to add more cabbage to your diet. Raw in salads. Chop up fresh cabbage and toss it with olive oil, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of salt for a refreshing and detoxifying salad. This preserves its nutrients and gives you the maximum health benefits. Steamed or stir-fried. Lightly steam or stir-fry cabbage with garlic, onions, and turmeric to enhance its anti-inflammatory properties. Just be sure to avoid overcooking, as high heat can destroy some of the essential vitamins. In soups and stews. Cabbage is a great addition to soups and stews because it absorbs flavors well while retaining its kidney healing benefits. Fermented as sauerkraut or kimchi. Fermented cabbage, like sauerkraut and kimchi, is packed with probiotics, which help balance gut bacteria, reduce inflammation, and support immune function. Just watch out for high-sodium versions if you have kidney disease. Cabbage wraps instead of bread or tortillas. Swap out high-carb processed breads for cabbage leaves as a natural wrap. This is a great low-calorie and nutrient-dense way to enjoy your favorite fillings. Roasted or grilled cabbage. If you haven't tried grilled cabbage, you're missing out. Roasting or grilling brings out its natural sweetness while keeping it crispy and flavorful. Protect your kidneys and live a healthier life. There you have it, 10 incredible superfoods that can help stop proteinuria, repair kidney damage, and keep your body functioning at its best. Your kidneys work around the clock to filter toxins, balance fluids, and regulate blood pressure, so taking care of them should be a top priority. By making simple dietary changes and eating kidney-friendly superfoods like cabbage, you can support your kidney function naturally and prevent further damage. Here's what you can do today to improve kidney health. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins and reduces the risk of kidney damage. Eat whole, natural foods. Avoid processed foods that stress the kidneys with excess salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Monitor your protein intake. Stick to high-quality, kidney-friendly proteins like salmon, quinoa, and plant-based sources. Limit sodium and phosphorus. Too much salt and phosphorus can worsen kidney disease and lead to fluid retention. Stay active. Regular exercise improves circulation, reduces blood pressure, and helps your kidneys function better. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. These habits put extra stress on your kidneys and increase the risk of kidney disease. Did you find this video helpful? If so, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs this information. You never know whose life you might change by spreading awareness. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and kidney-saving strategies. Which of these kidney-healing superfoods are you adding to your diet first? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Take care of your kidneys. Take care of your health. See you in the next video.